Naweza kuuliza maswali. Naweza kuuliza maswali kidogo.
Kuhusu
Voting tu na hiyo process ya leo.
Ulivote? Nilivote.
Where did you vote?
Kasarani.
Can we see alama ama? How was the process? How did you find it?
It was okay. It was swift and efficient. Very peaceful.
Right.
We liked it.
Do you think referendums are important to Kenyans? Because people are saying that we should just, since we vote for MPs, we should just let the MPs decide.
Well, it's important because it sensitizes us on the issues that matter. Because if we leave the matters to MPs alone, we may find ourselves in problems and then start asking ourselves, when did this happen? How did we get here? So we need to be in the know.
From your understanding, did people vote because they were told to vote, or they vote because they had an understanding of the constitution, the draft constitution?
Well, it depends. Some people voted because they knew what they were voting for. Others voted because their leaders told them to vote in a certain way. And others had partial knowledge of what was contained in the draft, and that is what informed their decisions.
What are your expectations moving forward after the referendum, regardless of the results?
Regardless of the results, I expect a lot of change. And a lot of work is going to be done by our parliament.
So there's a fear people are saying that we'll just vote for this constitution, and once it passes we forget about it. Do you think that fear is valid, or people will keep they have shown, Kenyans have shown that they can really follow up to an issue? Will they continue following it up, or when it comes 10th of August we have forgotten about the constitution, no one will be wanting to see it?
Well, the constitution addresses very many issues. So the people that will be following up on whatever issues will depend on whether those issues touch on them directly or not. So you might find that if maybe you are touching on public finance or the Bill of rights of minorities, you'll find that issues addressing minority rights will be followed up by mainly the minorities.
What time did you vote?
Around 11.
Say it was properly organized. Was there any quacks experienced, or just
it was smooth?
Security-wise?
Security was okay. There was no intimidation. Yeah. It was quite peaceful.
Your name, please?
Isaiah.
Isaiah. Thank you very much.
And you, which network is